This is the brand new ENGWE O20, and it is here to eliminate compromises that usually affect foldable bikes. In fact, whether you're searching for ride comfort, power, range or portability, the O20 has you covered, by being a balanced solution that offers all of the characteristics that I've just mentioned without compromising none of them. It comes in fact with a front fork that it's not there just for looks, 75 Nm motor and a 140 km of claimed range, all while being easily foldable and pretty lightweight. Price is also nice, in fact you can now get it at a discounted launch price of 1099 euros for a limited time at the link below. And that is definitely a deal that you can't miss. Okay, first let's unbox it. The O20 comes as always extremely well packaged, with all the components well protected and wrapped in foam. Assembly is super easy and fast, consisting as usual of just installing the handlebars, saddle, front fender and wheel, and pedals. That's it. All the steps are well documented in the included manual and are easy to follow and to replicate. With the bike assembled, we can see how nice it looks with this smooth and sleek aluminum frame and an overall shape that definitely makes this the best looking bike amongst the ones that I've tried with small wheels and long stems, which is a look that I usually very much dislike. Looks are obviously important, but are also subjective. What's not subjective are the specs, which make this bike a very good option if you search power and range in a foldable form factor. In fact, the motor has plenty of power, with a peak torque of 75 Nm, which, paired to the small size of the wheels, truly feels powerful, helping you nicely even on the steepest of hills. I am very happy to see that this bike also features a torque sensor, which provides an extra smooth pedaling feel that is very natural and makes you feel as if you're riding an analog bike. The motor in fact kicks in very smoothly and with a power that is proportional to how hard you are pedaling. On top of that, the small diameter of the wheels allows the motor to run more efficiently, also providing the motor with a better mechanical advantage compared to bigger wheels, ultimately making it feel more snappy and powerful. The battery is very big, with 720 Wh of capacity provided by LG cells. This high capacity provides a claimed range of 140 km in pedal assist mode 1, and a more realistic range of around 80 to 100 km in pedal assist mode 3 and hilly terrain. The battery is located behind the seat tube and nicely fits the aesthetics of the bike. It is also removable with a key, so that you can easily charge it inside your house or office without needing to bring the whole bike with you. The charger is also quite nice, with 4 amperes of max current output, which will charge the 15 Ah battery in less than 4 hours, from empty to full. This bike comes with excellent hydraulic brakes, which do an awesome job at stopping the bike, with a nice lever feel that is not fatiguing at all for the thing. The tires are 20 inches city bike fat tires and are excellent at tackling asphalt, gravel, dirt and off-road terrains, making the ride very smooth thanks to their relatively big size, which also helps absorbing every road imperfection and impacts, together with the front fork and suspension seat post. The front fork works perfectly well, with 50 mm of travel and a very smooth motion that gets the job done perfectly. The same can be said for the rear suspension seat post, which also works extremely well, even though you will need to purchase it separately for a small extra price. But trust me, it is very worth it for the comfort benefit that it provides. This bike also has integrated front and rear lights, which allows for safe nighttime riding, a rear rack and nice fenders, which do an excellent job at keeping every splash away from the rider. So far the specs look very good, but we can't forget the main feature of this bike, the fact that it is foldable. In fact, by lowering the super cool dual-arm kickstand, the whole front of the bike gets lifted, allowing it to be super easily folded with just the pull of this nicely integrated lever. By also folding the stem down, lowering the seat and folding the pedals, you will end up with a footprint that's about half the size of the original bike, and can be easily fit in a car trunk without even needing to lower the rear seats down. The whole folding procedure can easily be done even with only one hand, and is for example much simpler than folding the ENGWE O20 3.0 Pro that I've tested in my latest review. This bike is also much lighter and super easy to lift and carry, especially if the battery gets removed. Moving on, all the needed information are displayed on an LCD color display located on the center of the handlebar, which is extremely bright and feels extra premium, with high quality buttons to change between the modes located on the left handlebar, and a minimal and informative interface that displays your speed, battery level, assist mode, trip time and distance, and various other nice to have informations. The display allows access to the bike's settings by holding the plus and minus buttons, where you can change a few parameters, but unfortunately this bike doesn't have an unlockable speed limit, mainly due to compliance with European legislation. Below the button pad we can also find a handy boost button that allows the power to be increased for a brief period of time, giving a small boost whenever you need it. This bike unfortunately doesn't have the smart anti-theft module that allows you to track it anywhere in the world using GPS, but comes with a handy tracker that can be hid in the bike's frame to give some basic tracking in case of theft. Now for the real-world test. How does this bike ride? Well, due to the abundant torque, this bike definitely doesn't lack power. Being hub-driven, it will lose a bit of power on steeper hills, but still it fared very well, nicely helping me on every hill and terrain I threw at it. As important as motor power is riding position, which in this case is super comfortable, even though being a taller rider myself, it is definitely in the smaller end of the spectrum, but still provides a totally enjoyable ride. The 8-gear shifter works perfectly well, and the brakes are truly a pleasure to use, with plenty of stopping power and a light lever action that is not fatiguing at all on the fingers. I also really enjoy the kickstand with its double arm and this cool actuation that I have never seen before, which allows both arms to be folded on the same side of the bike. I also ended up really enjoying the design and looks of this bike, and that is really saying a lot, since I usually hate the look of bikes with long stems and small wheels. But this is definitely an exception, and I think that ENGWE designed it very well. Summing up, this is definitely the best folding bike that I have ever tried, because it balances every aspect of a bike very well and brings them together in a very nice and good-looking foldable package. It is definitely not as powerful as the O20 3.0 with its mid-mounted motor, but it's not meant to be. It is in fact way lighter and portable, but still without compromising on usability, power and comfort. It is overall quite complete and has nothing more to be desired. Everything from the brakes, the shifter and pedals doesn't need to be upgraded and is built to last for the entirety of this bike's life. If you need a foldable bike with little to none compromises, this one is definitely the one you must consider. If you want to take a closer look to it, there is a link in the description below, where you can get it at a price of just €1,099, with also a few extra gifts for the ones that purchase it first. That's it for this video, I will catch you soon!